So if you follow any entrepreneurs, you've probably heard the word passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income.
Being an artist, coming from parents who are artists, I've only thought about passive income in the sense of royalties. Making a movie, making music, and getting paid on the back end due to it keeping making money. For example, like if movies are played on airplanes, the people who have royalties get money for every time it's played. Or it's played on network television, you get money for that. But since I haven't made a movie or made a television show and I don't have anything that has royalties yet, I want to figure out how to make some passive income. So I wanted to figure out a way to build passive income where I'm at right now. Insert my brother Lex. He's 5 years younger than me, and the man just does things. He doesn't tell anybody about it, he just gets it done. He's been seeing a lot of different entrepreneurs and a lot of different just individuals around him get into the Airbnb game. So we thought, hell, he could do this too. Fast forward a couple months, he buys land in Joshua Tree, land in Arizona, buys an Airstream, and starts cash flowing it literally the next day that it's live on Airbnb.
I went live on Thursday and I was like kind of nervous. Went to bed, woke up Friday to 4 reservations already booked. Then 3 o'clock comes around and I have 12 more reservations and I have a reservation for that day. Ever since that day, I've had 1 empty day. Bring on the camera, check this. So this is that Thursday that I went live, right? Matt ended up staying there literally that second day, and now we're here. And this is all of our reservations. We have 3 empty days in June. This is July, and the reservations just keep coming in. I mean, we're booked out all the way up to...
You have a booking like in November.
Pretty funny. Yesterday I was with Dad and we're having a conversation about, I don't know, whatever, and I look at my phone, I'm like, yeah, I just made $400. So it's pretty wild. I mean, obviously, like, it is a gamble. It is an investment. You don't know if it's going to turn out, but that feeling that you get when you start making reservations, it's like a bug. You're like, oh, I just need to keep on doing this.
So I see this, and the light bulb goes off. That night, I find a listing on Facebook Marketplace for a 29.5-foot trailer, and I make an offer. Okay, so carrying around $13,000 in cash felt so strange. I literally felt like a criminal robbing a bank. Obviously I wasn't because it was my money, but it was the weirdest sensation on the planet. Walking out to my car being like, I hope I don't get mugged. Never got mugged. I'm in LA, in a really nice area of LA. No danger. Definitely there was like, have nothing bad happen to me while I have this cash on me. Okay, back to the video now.
What's up, Jacob? Woo! Where are we off to, brother?
Alright, we're gonna go get this trailer.
Let's go. First Airbnb boy over here. Let's go.
Got an hour and 47 minutes.
Yes,
Arrival at 1:17.
Look at this thing. Give me some. Let's go. Jake. Let's go, baby. How we doing, brother?
Oh God.
We got the trailer in the back. What do we think?
Oh God.
First time driving an RV.
Freaking out.
I love it.
Got a 30-foot trailer. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Just wide turns.
Wide turns,
wide turns, baby.
Give a wide berth.
Life's about wide turns.
So the drive back wasn't too crazy, just kind of sitting in traffic, going along. It was not until we got home where the adventure kind of began. And unfortunately, we only have a little bit of it filmed because we needed to focus and we couldn't film it all, as you'll see.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's where the airship was. Just keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Trust me, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Keep on going.
It's just freaking out.
Yeah, I mean,
So like if we were gonna stay in a place like this,
First people seeing it, Jake, what do we think?
beds over here.
pretty great.
And there's a girl.
All right, here it is. Queen size bed here. You have all of this here. You have a little bed. Essentially a second bed here.
As you see, it's pretty turnkey. It looks really great. There's a few cosmetic things that we want to do to upgrade it, but that shouldn't take too long. There's a whole combination of like nerves and excitement about the whole thing. But I think it'll do well. It should cash flow about $2,000 a month estimated. I'm splitting obviously some with my brother, some with the individual who's managing it out in Arizona, and so I'm excited. We'll see how all of this turns out. I have no idea what the future holds, but I'm very interested in getting started on this journey of passive income.